The TATRA 813 is taking on a challenge of overcoming difficult terrain filled with deep mud holes. But it seems to be stuck there. The wheels keep spinning on the sand without being able to move. After some time, they had to use a nearby tank to pull the TATRA 813 out of that difficult situation. This is the amazing process of towing a 30-ton gasoline truck in the Sahara Desert with 3 man-cats. After heavy rains, rough and muddy roads in the forest create a big challenge for logging drivers. And sometimes, they need support from other means to escape these difficult roads. But with patience and courage, the drivers try to overcome these difficulties and transport the wood safely to its destination. When talking about Russia, it is impossible not to mention off-road vehicles overcoming extremely fierce snowy roads. One of them is this Siberia that not only moves on difficult terrain but also transports goods. The power of the Siberian off-road vehicle is extremely terrible, making it chosen as one of Russia's military vehicles. This off-road vehicle is designed with waterproof technology and a crawler drive system to cope with harsh terrain conditions. And only truly tough people with many years of experience can work on the Siberian off-road vehicle in such conditions. This Unimog is a multi-purpose vehicle from Mercedes-Benz, often used for military purposes and harsh off-road work. The Breslau truck is extremely strong and confident in overcoming sand pits full of mud and water. Crossing muddy, rocky or mountainous areas is not only a test of driving skills, but also an exciting and challenging experience for drivers here. Besides, they also have to deal with unlucky cars overturning right in that mud puddle.